Well, hello everyone. I hope you've been having a great week. We're finishing up our second week of the quarter, and a lot of things have been going on. I want to make sure everyone is on the right track. In IT3120, Fundamentals of Project Management, we are going to be developing the project documentation as we go forward, and also we'll be working with the MS Project Labs. A couple things I want to point out with each of these. As far as the documentation goes, this is all going to be done individually, although you're going to be treating it as if you're working on a team. It's a hypothetical team, so when you develop a team contract, you're not working with this with the other classmates. You're not being put on a team. You're working on it by yourself as if you're the head of this team. So I wanted to make that short. Now, you will be having templates for a lot of these documents. With the templates, in any other kind of documentation, please write things out in complete sentences as much as possible. I do prefer that for a very specific reason, and that is when you do write things in complete sentences, the thoughts behind it do get more complete. I can give you an example. For example, when we create risk documents, risk matrix, a lot of people will put things in like product delivery. Well, yes, it would be a good thing if the product did get delivered. So it looks like that this thing gets delivered and that's a bad thing. That should have been written out completely, such as the servers we need will not be delivered on time, versus server. Okay, very much different. So please be complete in your thoughts, and things will be much easier to understand. With the Microsoft project, a couple things I want to point out. One is you only need one of the books and the software. You either have 2007 or 2010. You don't need both. One thing that's pretty irksome is when you have learners using MS Project 2007 book and trying to do the work in Microsoft Project 2010. It doesn't work because the interface has been changed, and the location of some things are not the same as well. So pick your book, use that software, save as a 2007 file. And that's another one of the problems I've been having over the past quarters. I want to head this off as quick as possible. Any Microsoft project file, please save as a 2007. As an enterprise, we have not updated to 2010. It is a pretty big thing. And so with our current system, we can only open as far as 2007. So please, save your Microsoft project files as a 2007. Now, I know you guys are studying IT, you're IT people, you should be able to figure that out. That's a pretty basic IT function. So any problems with projects, saving work, look it up or check with support. You all should have the books by now. If not, check with the publisher, see if you can get an ebook version of them. You all should be ordering your books plenty early. If not, there should be alternatives as far as electronic versions. Again, I know that things do come up. We're all adults. Many of us are working. Many of us have families, other obligations. Some of you are deployed in the military, so I know things do come up. Life happens. And again, anything keeps you from doing your work in class, please let me know as soon as possible. If you know something's coming up, try to work ahead. I do applaud those who have been doing that. It does work out quite well. If there's any questions, comments, issues, you can send me a course email. I check those every business day, as well as the Ask the Instructor thread within the course room. A look ahead, please note that we're going to be doing more documentation. Please take a look at that. Again, look at the template, read the readings for the week, and again, let me know if there's any questions. Thanks. Have a great week.